All I just wanted to say is that तुम्हारी बेटी के अंदर
एक भयानक आत्मा है।
Hey, what's up guys, this is CooperNicus from LateTech, and in today's video we are going to talk about a new application which is also a keyboard replacement which works like charm, and this application is in its beta stage, so be sure to rate it quite nice because I love it. It's called Writer Keyboard. So firstly you have to enable the settings and select the input method, and then finally go to settings and select all the settings from here like mechanical click sound, vibrations, so show suggestions and backlit. So I just uncheck this both because I don't want that, and let's head on to somewhere we can type. So this is the keyboard layout. As you can see, the LED indication quite pretty nice. So as you can see, if I will tap here on this button, it will show the caps lock, and this is the numpad. As you can see, all the three LEDs lit up, and so just hear the sounds. So let's get started. Okay. As you can see, as you heard that, it's quite awesome. You will be getting an awesome feeling while typing from this. So it makes the clickery sound like the mechanical keyboards. So this was it basically for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this quick short video on this application. This is very new application which I downloaded just now, and I'm just giving you the opinions from my side. So go ahead and check this out. I will leave the direct link to this application down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.